G'day everyone, my name's Christian Duff. I'm General Manager for Genetic Improvement here at Angus Australia, and we're really excited to launch the second generation of Angus HeiferSELECT. It's based on 18 months strong collaboration with our R&D partner CSIRO, who's Australia's national science agency. So what is Angus HeiferSELECT, to reiterate? It's an advanced genomic-based selection tool for heifers. It's designed for producers wanting to really ramp up their selection and production gains from genetics, focusing on their heifers. And it essentially adds precision to the selection of Angus replacement females in a commercial breeding operation, complementing other sources of information and selection methods for your heifers. It's available to Angus Australia members in collaboration with genotyping partners Zoetis and Angus Australia, and it retails for around $40 to $45 per heifer, depending on the lab and the sample type you're using. Angus HeiferSELECT is being used today to assist Angus cattle breeders and is seeing exponential growth in its application across Australia and New Zealand. To date, we've seen 57 Angus producers using Angus HeiferSELECT, totalling just under 20,000 Angus heifers and cows. We invite you to join the growing number of producers using Angus HeiferSELECT to meet the goals of your Angus beef breeding business.